Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the new video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to create a miniature necklace. Alright, so let's go to my Notion. So in here we have some image generation tools. We'll be using few tools like Leonardo, and for video generation we know Kling AI. So we'll use these tools. Alright, and here is the image prompts. I'll put the Notion link in the description so you guys can follow along. You can choose any image prompts which you like. Alright, and for the fast generation you can use a VPN also. Alright, so you can use any of these three. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try Leonardo AI. We are gonna try to generate an image. So those who doesn't know about Leonardo AI, I have a detailed tutorial in my channel and I will put the link in the description. Alright, so let's get started. First, what we are going to do is we are going to go to our Notion link. We are going to choose one of them. I'm going to choose the Royal Creation. I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to go back, paste this prompt and click generate. At the same time, we are gonna experiment the tools, the image generation tools also. So I'm gonna describe an image, and you can put the image prompt here, and you can choose your style also, or you can create a style also. Alright, so, and I will click generate. Plus, we are gonna go to our last tool of image generation. We're gonna describe our prompt. We are gonna choose the model, so I'm gonna choose the default model. Alright, and click generate. Okay, so let's see how the result is in these three image generation tools. Okay, in Leonardo AI it's like this, and let's see in Krea AI it's like this, and let's see in the last image generation tools. Okay, this is good, but I'm liking the Krea result. I think mm, I think I will go with this one. I will go with Leonardo AI result. Alright, this is good. This is also good. So I'll go with this one. Alright, and you can save image as and save as default. Alright, so now we are done with the image generation tools. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to the video generation tools. Okay, so now let's generate our image to video. If you don't have any prompt, then you can generate the prompt. Alright, like how I don't have any prompt. So right now DeepSeek and Kling is gonna generate a prompt. They have given us a list. So let's see. Okay, so I have for now I'm using Kling AI to generate to convert the image to video. I'm using Kling AI. Alright. The rest I think we have to upgrade the account, or we have to create an account first, but after creating we have to choose the paid plan first. So for now, let's just use Kling AI. But still, it's your it's your own choice which tools you want to use from the Notion that link that I have provided. So let's see how the result is. This will take a while, alright, and once it's done, I'll get back. Okay, this is good. You can see the miniature artist is working, plus we have a sound effect as well. I would like to try to not use the prompt now. Let's see how the result is without using a prompt. So let's just click generate. Okay, this is also nice. So you can see the difference. If this one, the camera lifts up first according to the prompt that we have used. And in here is the camera is not moving at all, and we can see the miniature artist is doing their work. So both the results are good. So I'm gonna download this, and I'm gonna download this. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you can create a miniature necklace at, or you can use it for you can use your own product as well. Alright, so I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this video and if you're watching until the very end, please don't forget to drop a yellow heart, a yellow star. And if you like the videos, if you like this video tutorial, and if it's helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. How do you like this video? Feel free to share your thoughts. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.